Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cake nozzles is probably one of the most essential tools for creating stunning and professional-looking cakes, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out. In this video, we will explore the various types of cake decorating nozzles available, helping you choose the perfect ones to elevate your baking game and transform ordinary cakes into edible masterpieces. Number 5. RFAQK 74 PCS Cake Decorating Kit. This kit has everything you need to start decorating cakes like a pro. It includes 48 numbered tips, multiple bags, and even a cleaning brush. It features 48 professional-grade stainless steel icing tips. Each tip creates a unique design, from round to intricate flowers. Even beginners can easily use this set. The tips are numbered, and a booklet shows you what each one creates. This set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any celebration. It's perfect for anyone who loves to bake. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll solve any issues within 24 hours. The included storage box keeps all your tools neatly organized and easy to find. What we like? It boasts an impressive collection of 48 numbered tips, making it incredibly easy to use even for beginners. The numbered tips and included booklet remove the guesswork from creating beautiful designs. If you're new to cake decorating or want a comprehensive kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This has everything you need to get started. It made cake decoration so easy. This kit comes with a lot of tip options, plenty of bags and a way to keep it all stored. I have used it a few times and it worked out quite well for me. I was pleased with the results and how everything worked. If you are a beginner, you definitely need these. It comes with a book that shows you what each tip can do and also gives multiple piping bags for all the times you will mess up. Number 4. Cake Decorating Icing Tip Set. This amazing set has everything you need to create stunning cakes. It includes 10 extra-large decorating tips and 20 disposable pastry bags. It comes with a wide variety of tips, from round and star shapes to more intricate designs like flowers and leaves. You'll be able to create endless designs. These tips are larger than standard sizes, perfect for piping generous amounts of frosting, dough, or cream. They are ideal for larger cakes and projects. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's built to last. They are rust-resistant, ensuring years of reliable use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional baker, this set will help you achieve beautiful results. It's the perfect tool to elevate your baking game. The seamless design makes them easy to clean, and the disposable bags make cleanup a breeze. Enjoy decorating without the hassle. What we like? This set features extra-large tips, perfect for piping generous amounts of frosting or dough. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's built to last. If you need large-scale designs or work with thicker consistencies, this is the set for you. What people say. I was happy with the size and different ends to choose from. Worked great. I don't know why, but this set came with so many more pieces than I thought it did. This set comes with what feel like very nice sturdy piping bags, one extra large and one large coupler, a charming little spatula, a mini bottle brush for cleaning, and best of all, a compact plastic case for everything. The tips seemed quite sturdy and nice as I was washing them. I love the tip variety. It has all the good ones. Very easy to use, super simple to store. Great for beginners and very easy to clean. Number 3. 150 PCS Russian Piping Tips Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to create beautiful cakes, cupcakes, and pastries. It includes a wide variety of tips, bags, and tools to get you started. With over 50 numbered Russian and icing tips, you'll be able to create a huge range of designs. From delicate flowers to intricate leaves, the possibilities are endless. This kit comes with a handy storage box, pattern chart, and ebook to guide you. Even beginners can easily create stunning results. It's made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring smooth edges and perfect results every time. These are durable and built to last. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, we'll resolve them within 24 hours. Your baking success is our priority. This kit empowers you to create professional-looking desserts at home. Get creative and enjoy the process of decorating your treats. What we like? With over 150 pieces, including a wide variety of numbered Russian and standard tips, this kit is incredibly comprehensive. It's perfect for those who want a huge selection of options to explore different decorating styles. If you're looking for ultimate versatility and a complete set, this one is for you. What people say. The tips are of decent quality. The plastic pieces feel rather flimsy, but I'm not disappointed at this price. I like the storage box and tip results guide. It comes in a little case with a variety of tips including piping bags. Also came with a little book on what design each tip does, which is amazing. Everything you need in one neat little container. Most of the tips I received were different from what I had on hand, and the ones which duplicated I found worked great for making the same designs with different colors. Number 2. Icing Nozzles Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create stunning cake designs. It includes various nozzles, scrapers, and reusable piping bags for all your baking needs. Made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability and safety. The seamless welding process guarantees long-lasting performance. With 25 different stainless steel nozzles, you can create a wide variety of designs, from delicate flowers to bold lettering. 5 large nozzles are also included for larger projects. It's the ideal gift for birthdays or any celebration. Use it to decorate cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more, and share the joy of baking with loved ones. This lightweight set is incredibly user-friendly. The nozzles are easy to clean, and the reusable silicone piping bag makes decorating a breeze. From home baking to professional pastry work, this set is perfect for cakes, cookies, pastries, and more. It's also great for parties and special events. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like. This set includes 25 different stainless steel nozzles, a reusable silicone piping bag, and other useful tools. It's a fantastic gift for any baking enthusiast. If you're looking for a well-rounded set with a silicone bag and want to give a thoughtful gift, this is a great option. What people say. The stainless steel nozzles are durable and come in a variety of shapes, allowing for endless creativity. A great number of tips to choose from. The tips seem pretty sturdy. Number 1. 4 PCS stainless steel piping nozzles. These nozzles are a must-have for any baker. They're made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and ease of use. Made from 304 stainless steel, it's seamless, safe, and reusable. Enjoy creating beautiful designs time after time. They're perfect for creating a variety of patterns, from round and plain to intricate leaves and petals. Let your creativity flow. These large nozzles are easy to use with piping bags or couplers. Cleaning is a breeze, too, thanks to their non-stick surface. Ideal for decorating cakes, cupcakes, cookies, and more. They're perfect for birthdays, weddings, or any special event. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these nozzles will help you create stunning cake designs with ease. What we like. This set contains 4 large, high-quality stainless steel tips, perfect for creating bold and elegant designs. They are seamless, easy to clean, and reusable. If you are a professional or simply prefer fewer, high-quality tools, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Good quality, seamless, stainless steel. Love the size and sturdiness of these piping tips. Durable, perfect size, used was so easy and came out perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.